What's up, guys? Trying out my new microphone. Hopefully it works. So I am fresh out of the shower, as you can tell. I am here to talk about what I think is the best skincare I've ever found on Amazon. Actually, from anywhere. Tatcha. I absolutely love this stuff. You've probably seen some viral videos and stuff on it, and let me tell you, it is the best. I will not reveal my full age. I'm in my 40s, and I think my skin is great. So the first product, the Silk Serum. So this is what I use. I have nothing on my face, straight out of the shower. No moisturizer, no anything. This one is a brand new one. The packaging, gorgeous too. Like, that obviously doesn't hurt. But this stuff is just, it's for mature skin, and you only need a little bit, and you want to put it on freshly showered skin. You just pump, actually doing my fingers, like 2 pumps, and it goes a long way. And the other thing I love about this brand, every product, and I have a lot of them, there's no crazy fragrance. It's like just really light, fresh scents. So I'll let that sit for a second. And then this is, hands down, I think the best moisturizer in the world. And people are like, oh my God, it's pricey. It is, but it lasts a long while. A little bit goes a long way, and it is to die for. Again, the scent is really light. It's so refreshing. There is also, I always start with this, a little applicator. Like, sometimes if my nails are long, you don't want to dig your finger in there. But like, this is easy. So I just do this, just a little. And it's like, at my age, some women will switch to moisturizing oils, but this is like, I don't even think I'm going to need to. And I get compliments on my skin, and I really attribute it to this brand. And then if you have dry patches, like I get really dry right there, so I'll just put a little extra, but this is like amazing. Love this. And then this one, so I was using their Silk eye cream, which I love, but this is the serum stick for under eye. We all get a little tired looking, so I'm excited to try this. Serum stick. Oh, cool. It's kind of like a chapstick. So I assume just rub it under here. What's the texture like? Oh, it's nice. Maybe we'll do a little pat. Yeah, that feels really nice. So we'll see a couple weeks of use how this does. I imagine it's amazing, as all of their other stuff is. But yeah, if you haven't tried Tatcha, don't be afraid of the price. The stuff lasts forever, and it's seriously the best.